Turn AI into your paycheck. Welcome to Pro AI Income, where AI meets real profits. First, take a look at this website. This is a complete e-commerce apparel shopping website. You can see the homepage with banners and collections. You can browse products, open a product page, select size, add it to cart, and even place an order. A user profile is automatically created. Orders are saved, payments are tracked, and everything works like a real production-level website. And the most interesting part is, this entire website is built using AI. From design to products, from cart to checkout, from user data to order management, everything is generated and connected using AI tools. In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete e-commerce website using AI. If you hire a website designer or a development agency, they can easily charge thousands of dollars and take weeks or even months to deliver a single website. But now we're in 2026, and in the AI era, you can build multiple e-commerce websites on your own, either for your own business or for your clients, in a fraction of the time and cost. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. First, we'll create the website using AI. In the second step, we'll add all the products and customize the design. In the third step, we'll connect the website with the backend and database. Then, in the fourth step, I will tell you how to integrate the payment gateway. After that, we'll deploy the website and make it live. And finally, I'll show you the website working perfectly on both laptop and mobile devices. So, let's start from the idea and build this step by step. But before we begin, if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join my Telegram group for prompts, resources, and updates. I have mentioned link in description. Now, let's begin. So first, I decided my e-commerce business name as AuraWare. To build this website, I'll be using Google Antigravity. Antigravity was announced by Google DeepMind with the release of Gemini 3 Pro model. It is an agent-first, AI-powered IDE that allows autonomous AI agents to plan, write, test, and debug code automatically. So, let's start by opening Google, searching for Antigravity, and visiting the official website. From there, download the version that matches your device. The installation process is very simple. Just click Next through the setup, and at the end, it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Give the required permissions, and within a minute, Antigravity will be running on your system and ready to create your first project. Here, I'm going to add a prompt inside Google Antigravity. Don't worry, I'll share this exact prompt in my Telegram group so you can copy it directly from there. This prompt instructs Antigravity to create a complete professional e-commerce website for an apparel brand called AuraWare, with a premium design, modern homepage, product pages, cart, checkout, user accounts, and a strong brand story. Once the prompt is added, I simply click on Generate. And within a few seconds, Antigravity creates a fully structured e-commerce website for us. Because I want a premium and minimalist fashion look, the prompt already guides the AI to design the website in that style. And now you can see the website right here on the screen. At the top, you can see the AuraWare logo with a clean navigation menu, including new arrivals, women, men, and our story. The Hero section reflects a high-end fashion brand with a bold collection headline, minimalist layout, and a clear call-to-action button to explore the collection. As you scroll down, you can see category sections for women, men, and new arrivals, followed by a product grid showing apparel with pricing and quick add options. Each product card looks clean, modern, and suitable for a real e-commerce store. Below that, there is a brand vision section explaining the AuraWare ethos, focused on timeless fashion and ethical craftsmanship. At the bottom, you'll find the subscription section and a complete footer with shop links, support pages, policies, and contact information. Now, one important thing to understand is that the images you see here are default AI-generated images. They are just placeholders and not related to a real brand. So to make this website look fully professional and brand ready, I'll replace these images with real high-quality product and lifestyle images. So step 2 is add product listing and customize the website design. For that, I simply go to free stock image websites like Pexels or any other free image platform. Choose the perfect image for the hero section, copy the image link, and paste it back into Google Antigravity. Then I just tell AI to change the hero section image using this new image link, and AI updates the website instantly. In the same way, I update all the other images that I want on this website. Also, as you can see, the product images that were generated initially are not related to my actual products. They're just random placeholder images. For any real e-commerce website, you must use your own product images, names, descriptions, and pricing. So what I do here is create a simple Excel file for all my product listings. In this Excel file, I add the product name, category, description, price, and the image link for each product. I've already created the Excel sheet. You can see this: product image link, category, name of product, and pricing. You can do same for your products. Once this file is ready, I simply upload the Excel file to Antigravity and tell AI to list all these products and remove the current ones. Everything is done directly inside AI without writing any manual code. Within a short time, AI starts processing the data and automatically updates all the product listings on the website. And now you can see the result on my website. I have created 2 categories, men and women. Under the men category, I have added all the men's apparel, and under the women category, I have added the women's attire. You can see that the product names, descriptions, prices, and images are now properly updated and aligned with my brand. This is how easily you can manage large product catalogs using AI and make your e-commerce website look completely real and professional. Now let's move to step 3, which is connecting this website with a real backend. At this stage, we need proper authentication. That means when a user wants to place an order, they must first sign up or log in. After sign up, a user profile should be created automatically. Inside that profile, a user should be able to see their orders, cart items, and account details. All order data, user data, and website form data should be stored securely in a database. For this backend setup, I'm using Supabase because Supabase works really well with AI-built applications and provides authentication, database, and APIs all in one place. So first, open Supabase in a new tab and log in with your credentials. After login, click on Create New Project. Give your project a name, set a database password, and create the project. Once the project is ready, we need to collect 4 important details. The first one is the project name. The second is the project ID. The third is the public API key. And the fourth is the project URL. You'll find the project name and project ID inside the project settings. The public API key is available in the API keys section, and the project URL can be found in the data API section. Now just copy all these 4 details. After that, go back to Antigravity, open your website project, and paste these details inside the chat box and tell the AI clearly that you want to connect Supabase as the backend. Ask it to generate user sign-up and sign-in functionality and automatically create a user profile inside the website. The user profile should include order placement, order history, cart data, and complete account details. Also, instruct the AI to store all user signups, user profiles, orders, cart data, and website form data securely in Supabase. Finally, ask the AI to generate all the required SQL tables for Supabase, including users, orders, cart items, and all related data. Once you provide these details, Antigravity automatically connects the website with Supabase. AI also generates the SQL code required to create all the database cables. Now, for the database setup, simply copy the SQL code generated by AI. Go back to Supabase, open the SQL editor, paste the SQL there, and run it. Once it shows success, that means your database tables are created properly. Your website is now connected to a real backend with authentication, user profiles, and order storage fully working. Right now, I'm not testing anything. First, I just want to show you the complete workflow from start to finish. After that, I'll actually place an order and show you how the order data and user information are stored in the database. Now let's move to step 4, which is payment integration. At this stage, you can connect any payment gateway to your AI e-commerce website. For example, you can attach your Stripe account using webhooks, or integrate PayPal or any other payment provider the same way. The process is simple. You just connect your payment provider, configure the integration, and your website becomes ready to accept payments securely. This way, you can enable real payments on any AI-built e-commerce website. Now, since everything is connected, let's test the complete flow once before final deployment. I'm selecting a product from the Women category, opening the product page, choosing the size, and adding it to the cart. Now I'm clicking on the Checkout button. Here, you can see the complete checkout form, including shipping details like first name, last name, email address, city, and postal code. After filling in all the details, I click on Continue to Payment. But here, it shows error and saying to sign up first. Okay, I'm just signing up with my email, adding name, email, and password. Now, same way, I am again trying to buy this and adding all my detail, name, email, address, city, and code. Now it's working. I will not show here the payment details. Once the payment is successful, you can see the order confirmation message on the screen. Means our front is getting orders. Now let's verify this from the user profile. First, I open the user profile. You can see that the user profile has been created automatically, and the ordered product is visible inside the profile. Means in front, everything is working. Next, let's check the Supabase database. I open the users table, and you can see my name and email stored there, which confirms that authentication is working correctly. Then I open the orders table, and you can see the order that was just placed. This confirms that order data is being saved properly in the database. That means everything is connected and working as expected. Orders can be placed, payments are received, user addresses are saved, and products can now be shipped to the customer. This is a complete, real-world e-commerce workflow built entirely using AI. Now in this step, we'll deploy this website. First, I ask Google Antigravity to generate and package all the website files into a single project folder. Antigravity automatically creates a folder containing all the required files and downloads it to my system. Once the folder is ready, I open Netlify in a new tab and log into my account. After login, I click on New Project and choose the option to deploy manually. Now I simply upload the entire project folder that was generated by Antigravity. Within just 5 to 10 seconds, Netlify finishes the deployment. And as you can see, our website is now live on Netlify. This is the live URL. The website is officially live. All pages are working properly and everything looks perfect. You can add products to the cart, view your user profile, place orders, and complete payments. This is a real, fully functional e-commerce website. Now, let me show you the mobile view as well. You can see that the website is fully responsive on mobile devices. All products and pages are displayed properly, and the entire checkout flow works smoothly on mobile too. So now the website is complete and successfully deployed. Now, I think this website is complete. And the best part is, if you want to change any product, update content, or edit any section, you just need to tell Antigravity and it will update everything for you. After that, you can simply redeploy the website again. Using this process, you can create a complete e-commerce website in just 1 to 2 hours and make your business live on the internet where real users can start purchasing products. And if you're a freelancer or running an agency, you can build and sell multiple e-commerce websites like this for your clients. You can start small and then slowly scale this into a proper business. I hope this video was useful for you. If it helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is actually building something like this. Also, join my Telegram group where I'll share all the prompts used in this video. Let me know your views in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.